Welcome back. The first case of violation by the bidders has been registered by the Department of Mines and Geology. No objection certificate of the successful e-auction bidder Bagadiya Brothers has been kept on hold by the department. Bagadiya Brothers was one of the successful bidders during e-auctioning of the extracted ore. Department has stopped his cargo at the MPT, which was supposed to transport the ore to Singapore.
Bagadiya Brothers was one of the successful e-auctioning bidders. Bagadiya Brothers sold their ore to a company from Singapore. According to sources, they had taken permission to export the ore to China. Due to low demand, Bagadiya Brothers sold his ore to a Singapore company. They were exporting ore to Singapore without permission of the mines department. Their NOC has been kept on hold and department has conveyed the directives to MPT. Sources also informed that the department is in a process of rectifying the name of the buyer and country. Cargo has been stopped by the MPT. Meanwhile, Ravindra Prakash, director of Magnum Minerals Private Limited, has been arrested by Special Investigation Team. He was arrested for alleged involvement in Khadnekar mining scam. Police has taken 7 days remand for him. At present, he is admitted in the GMC. This is the 4th arrest in the illegal mining case. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Navti has said that altogether 20 candidates are nominated for Lok Sabha poll after scrutiny of nominations on Thursday. 12 nominations from South Goa while 8 nominations from North Goa. Navti says picture will be clear on Friday as it is the day of withdrawal. Navti also confirmed that this is the first time Lok Sabha poll in Goa has a record number of contestants in both the constituencies.
आज जेणे कोणी नॉमिनेशन भरलेले तांची सगळ्यांची स्क्रुटिनी जाली. स्क्रुटिनी जाले उपरांत साउथ गोवान 12 आणि नॉर्थ गोवान 8 कॅन्डिडेट फायनली नॉमिनेट जाल्ले आसा. साउथ गोवांतल्या 12 कॅन्डिडेटान अलेक्स रिजनाल्ड लॉरेन्स, नरेंद्र सावयकर, राजू मंगेशकर, क्लिफ्टन डिसोजा, चर्चिल अलेमो, जवाहर डायस, सावियो रॉड्रिग्स, स्वाती केरकर, गोविंद गावडे, बाळकृष्ण साळगांवकर, विनस हबीब, शॅलम मॅथ्यू फ्रांसीस सार्दिना आणि तांणी बरली सगळी नॉमिनेशन्स व्हॅलीड अशें म्हणून आज डिक्लेअर जाल्या. नॉर्थान 8 जाण आसात. 8 रवी नायक, श्रीपाद नायक, एडवोकेट सुहास नायक, डॉक्टर दत्ताराम देसाय, राजू डिसोजा, दयानंद नार्वेकर, मितू मुजावर आणि रणजीत राणे असे 8 जण कॅन्डिडेट नॉर्थांतल्यान कॉन्टेस्ट करतात. एक साधारण 4 ते 5 कॅन्डिडेट आसताले. ह्याच फावटी सावथाक मॅक्झिमम म्हणजे 12 कॅन्डिडेट आसा आनी नॉर्थाक 8 आसात. आतां फाल्यां विड्रॉवल जातले आनी विड्रॉवल उपरांत कळटलें मागीर की कितले कॅन्डिडेट्स आसात.
Independent candidate of South Goa, Shalom Sardinia, is confident that his father Francisco Sardinia will support him in contesting Lok Sabha poll. Shalom says he is active in politics from past 1.5 years. Shalom criticized Congress's ideology of denying ticket to a sitting MP and a senior leader of the party.
A senior man has been denied the ticket after being there for 37 years. So, if this is what they do to a senior man, what ideology are they talking about? I know how I would be instrumental in bringing a change to Goa and to South Goa in particular. The current designated Congress candidate is a person who's very vindictive by nature and has, in the last time, targeted a lot of our supporters. Today, I cannot let my supporters be left in a lurch just because the ticket has been denied. And therefore, I have decided to take this plunge. I am sure my father as himself will stick with truth. As long as I stick with truth, my father will support me.
No, but you said that you have spoken to your father.
I have spoken to my father.
What was his reaction? Did he say he will support you or he will remain neutral or what was his...
No, my father didn't say it.
Sorry?
He hasn't said anything.
No, your father at the Kutburi meeting said that his blessings are there with my son.
Yes, his blessings are there. That's what I just said.
Court has come down heavily on the BCCI's affairs in the IPL. Court has proposed that former India captain Sunil Gavaskar could take over as the interim chief of the Indian Cricket Board or BCCI in place of the embattled N. Srinivasan. It has also suggested that IPL teams Chennai Super Kings and Rajasthan Royals should not be part of the 7th season. Court will pronounce its interim order on Friday.
The Supreme Court has said that it will pass an order on the IPL spot fixing and betting scandal on Friday and has proposed that former India captain Sunil Gavaskar could take over as the interim chief of the Indian Cricket Board or BCCI in place of embattled N. Srinivasan. It has also suggested that Indian Premier League teams Chennai Super Kings and Rajasthan Royals should not be a part of the 7th season beginning from April 16th as they are being investigated in the case.
कोर्ट ने 3 प्रपोज इंटरिम ऑर्डर आज किया है जो कल 10:30 बजे होगा, लेकिन उसने भरे कोर्ट में दोनों तरफ के अधिवक्ताओं के सामने 3 प्रपोज्ड इंटरिम ऑर्डर किया है। सर्वप्रथम श्रीनिवासन को बीसीसीआई के अध्यक्ष पद से रिमूव किया गया है और उनके जगह में जब तक ये मुकदमा चलेगा भारतीय क्रिकेट के महान क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी सुनील गावस्कर बीसीसीआई के अध्यक्ष का कार्यभार संभालेंगे और 16 अप्रैल से जो आईपीएल होने वाला है उसमें चेन्नई सुपर किंग और राजस्थान रॉयल की टीम पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेगी। यही प्रपोज इंटरिम ऑर्डर है जो कल 10:30 बजे होगा। एक बात और बता दो कि इंडिया सीमेंट से जुड़े हुए लोग जो भी बीसीसीआई के जिस पद पे हैं, चाहे बीसीसीआई के जहां भी हैं, उन लोगों को भी रिमूव कर दिया है कोर्ट ने।
India Cements owns CSK and it also employs Indian skipper Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Sundar Raman, the man who runs IPL. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.